my very last Halloween look. Today is going to be a recreating Zendaya's Halloween look from, I'm pretty sure, last year. I saw this and I was like, ooh, I like. So we're gonna do it for my very last look. It's like glam but spooky at the same time, so spooky glam look. I'm gonna put my hair up, so I'm gonna look really extra ugly, but it's gonna be okay because we're gonna fix it in the end. So if you're new, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. I'm obsessed with this eye look. Okay, so for lashes, I'm going to be using Kiss Brassiere. I usually use my Kiss Corset, but I need to go get a new pair because they're kind of getting a little bit busted. So we're gonna try something new today. I'm gonna use these, and then we will do the face. Okay, so eyes are done. We're gonna be Rachel Cantu today and go in with 3 primers. For my nose and chin, I'm using the No Pore Bloom primer, and I'm just going to apply 1 dot of this to my fingers. For my next primer, I'm using the Milani Prime Perfection. This is just going on the apples of my cheeks for, I don't know why, just because I guess. Last but not least, I'm using my Too Faced Hangover Primer, and I'm just going to put a little dollop of this on my fingers, and then this is going on my forehead. It came out and that's like all chunky, so I'm not going to use that. I'm going to throw that away because I haven't used this primer in a while, which is probably why that happened. But for foundation, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way in Pearl and my Fenty in 120. One's a little too dark, one's a little too light, so I'm just gonna use probably 2 pumps of this and 1 pump of this. But since this look is like super full coverage and glam, that's why I'm actually putting foundation on, and I'm breaking out. Okay, so for highlighter, we're going to use Ofra Glazed Donut. I'm not gonna go on with way too much. Actually, that's a fat lie. I just lied. We're gonna go on with a ton. I can find my highlight brush. Got it. And I'm also gonna use Blissful because this one's way too dark, but the other one's way too light. So we're just going to be a problem solver and mix them together. So you gotta be popping. Zendaya is like queen of highlighter, so yeah. I just quickly wanted to say that also the look that I have on right now, before all of the like extra stuff, you could wear this as just like an everyday fall look or like a fall glam without the extra stuff. I love this eyeshadow look and my skin looks really good. This is probably gonna be my new favorite foundation combo at the moment. I think that my skin looks really good, and like I don't feel too dewy or too dry, so I live. And then yeah, I'm digging this look. So I'm going in with this Rimmel lip liner in the shade Cafe, and then I'm going in with the Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Tea. I literally love this lip combo, like perfect for fall. Okay, so I'm going in with the NYX Super Skinny eyeliner. I'm very nervous right now. So you have to make a straight line down the middle of your forehead. Okay, you have your black line, then you're gonna go in with a white eyeliner or pencil and put it on one side of the black line. And on the other side, you're going to take a super skinny pencil and a contour shade and just go right on top of the other side. So I'm just going on this little brush and I'm going to shade the other side of the black line. Go in with my Wet n Wild eyeliner because I just like it a lot better. And I'm going to go over the black line a tiny bit. Okay, and then you're just going to do little stitches in a downward motion. So it looks like this, and then you're gonna do the exact same thing with the white and the brown or whatever. So white goes on the top, so it has to go on the outside of the black. This liner sucks. This is so hard. Okay, so now I have to do the little crack that she has right by her eyeshadow. So she just kind of has like a little, kind of like I don't know, it kind of looks like thunder, or I mean not thunder, lightning. You can't look at thunder, Tori. So I'm just kind of interpreting that best I can. And I'm just using my little face paint palette. And we're gonna do the little blood drips now. So she has, she probably used fake blood, but I don't have fake blood, so I'm just gonna use this liquid catsuit lipstick and use this for my blood. So I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand. And then use this brush. Or use a smaller brush actually. Use this tapered paintbrush and just dip it in. And then draw little streaks so that it looks like we're bleeding. She kind of has these all over. Just kind of draw them however you want. Hey guys, this is the final look. It's very like glam, but a little bit spooky at the same time. I think it turned out okay, goodish. I don't know, I like it. I think pictures are gonna be cool, so I like it. One more second and the very last touch and the movie completely done. This is the final look. She has her own version of a crown, but this is the tiara I won in my pageant, so I'm just gonna use this as mine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed all my Halloween looks. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. I don't know, I'm really starting to feel this. I like this a lot. I'm proud. It took literally like 2.5 or 3 hours, so love that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, babies.
Say, 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 hey, hey.